In the latest war scenarios, Israel attacked Iran and claimed it was destroying Iran's nuclear arsenal, and Iran retaliated by targeting its defense command center in Tel Aviv. This has turned out to be a big war since both sides have allies hoping to support them to win against their rivals. Israel has claimed it has eliminated most of Iran's nuclear scientists and some military personnel in an operation called Rising Lion, and in support by the United States, it keeps claiming that Iran is a threat to the entire world, especially its Western allies. Israel has repeatedly claimed, which has brought it to a position for the world to always think it's right when it starts wars with its enemies, even when enemies aren't wrong. But, despite Israel's strong military capabilities, it is still facing it hard to defeat Iran. The latest news shows two of its most sophisticated fighter jets acquired from the United States, the F-35 Lightning, were short when on their missions to destroy Iran's military bases. The Air Defense Force of the Islamic Republic of Iran's army successfully shot down and destroyed two Israeli F-35 fighter jets and a large number of their micro-air vehicles. It shot down the F-35 jets, the best fighter jets and the greatest gift US has given Israel. Iran shot the two fight jets down. The fate of the pilots is unknown and under investigation. Iran managed to also attack Israel by infiltrating Israel's defense capabilities, the Iron Dome hitting Israel's defense headquarters.